Organizational behavior is a very important topic paper for the students of business and for management also. For performing the managerial activities in the right way, smooth manner, manager must need to know the behavioral situation in all respects, individually good point of view and surroundings point of view also. It's not a mere limited thing. This also considers the behavior pattern of the neighboring or the same line organizations. Thing is this, that is, now we have to discuss about the job satisfaction. Job satisfaction is a very important topic because if from ourselves point of view can say, if I myself is satisfied with my profession, so say I am a teacher, teaching is my profession. In that point, if I am satisfied with my profession, then I can do best for the students and I can better deliver my lecture so that the students will be benefited and surroundings will be benefited and the students can act accordingly as per my advice and for my delivery. So we are now conducting the virtual class. Virtual class to some extent is not for the regular conducting between the teachers and the students, but even then under the pandemic situation, no alternate we do find it. But I also advise my students, if you face any problem, that you can call me next. I will explain it. At the same time, you can personally contact to me, but not by gathering, but individually you can come and contact. Anyway, job satisfaction. The main thing is this: the happy employees are productive employees. If the employees are happy, then they can produce the right product at the right period of time with right quality. So that is the best expected from the organization. So job satisfaction is must and indispensable. And the management has to think how to satisfy his workers and employees, personnel, or even the management needs to be satisfied. If management itself is not satisfied with their own performance, or as they are working to achieve the goals and objectives of the organization, side by side their own objectives and goals, if they are not satisfied, then their performance will decline. As a whole, the organization will be loser. Anyway, in terms of the definition of the job satisfaction, some scholars express their point. There is, as per the Robbins says, job satisfaction is a positive feeling about one's job resulting from an evaluation of its characteristics. Job satisfaction is a positive feeling about one's jobs resulting from evaluation of its characteristics. In this point, Kit Davis says, job satisfaction is a set of favorable and unfavorable feelings with which employees view their work. So, job satisfaction is concerned and connected to the favorable or unfavorable feelings of a certain task or assigned duties and responsibilities. If workers may be positive or negative for a certain job, then whom says job satisfaction is generally considered to be an individual's perceptual or emotional reaction to important parts of work. And from the above definition, we can find the following characteristics of job satisfaction. Some characteristics are, as per the above mentioned definitions, above mentioned opinions, say for their Robbins, Brooms, Pete Davis. These are the scholars in this line. Job satisfaction is the result of various attitudes. Multiple attitudes are there, and job satisfaction may occur. As per job satisfaction, multi-varied attitudes may be expressed or exposed. It's a positive feeling about one's job. It may be also negative feelings where someone is working with a certain job, assigned with a certain job. He or she is satisfied, then their behavior, manner, their attitude, their performance will be better type of. If they are not satisfied, then the negative type of. Then it is pleasurable or positive emotional state. It's maybe pleasurable or positive emotional state. I don't understand. It's a collection of feelings and beliefs. Feelings, and beliefs. All these are procured here for job satisfaction. It's the level of contentment a person feels regarding his or her job. The importance of job satisfaction we are now to discuss. Yes. Then that is the importance of job satisfaction, employee intention. If workers, employees are customers of I was beginning the pen. If persons, workers, employees, or even the management people are satisfied with their job as assigned by the management, they are satisfied, so that they would not be interested to leave the job. Rather, they would want to retain the job because they deserve it most. Then the higher revenues. Employee satisfaction also brings the image of the organization. If the employees, workers, employees, or even the management of the organizations are satisfied, then their performance will be significant, and they will be able to produce right quality, right goods in the right time, minimizing the cost of manufacturing. As a result, they can sell out their goods and services at a lower price. I mean, their sales price will be at a minimal standard stage, and so the organization will be able to sell out its goods and services in the broader market with huge quantity. So it will be more revenue oriented, earning oriented. Then handle pressure. Satisfied employees can handle pressure as the multiple pressures are coming from the different sources, different locations, different points. As a result, if the workers and employees or the management is not satisfied with their duties and responsibilities, but they will be frustrated. But if they are satisfied, they will very boldly face the challenges. Then guidance and managers. Performance of personnel, all level personnel, even management, can improve if they are satisfied with their assigned job, assigned duties and responsibilities with their assigned job as appointed. They will be satisfied highly, and they will perform their duties and responsibilities with due interest. Reduce absenteeism. Working atmosphere prevailing fine, and all are then satisfied, performing their duties and responsibilities as per their expectation. So their working condition is very fine and nice. They will be much more charmed and very much inclined towards their organization. Then so the absenteeism will be reduced. I am satisfied. I like my working at station fine. So I should go there regularly. I would be interested to pass out my time there day long. Even same me like I am here working in this institution. I like this institution. I like my subject papers like house like I am very much interested for my students. So I like to teach better and delivery. I am just delivering my lecture in English because I like my students will be also interested more to learn English better because in the practical field is so much more important. So if they could follow the English version, they could build up their career more. There's the thing. Then importance of in life. In my personal life, in our personal life, we need to be satisfied with our job. Otherwise, this may create so many problems and we will be frustrated, and due to frustration and thousands of problems may occur. So, job satisfaction is a very important thing. It plays a very important role in our personal life also. Contribute to happiness. Yes, I am working in a very nice organization. We are very congenial atmosphere is prevailing where we are enjoying our each job, our recreation hour, our desire hour, our present facilities of the organization, financial facilities, non-financial facilities and motivations are prevailing there. So I'd be rather highly interested and I'll be happy. So this is where we are contributing for the happiness development of the workers, the employees, personnel, or even for the management also. Helpful and friendly. Helpful and friendly is the very most important thing. Yes, it's very helpful and friendly. Job satisfaction is then prevail more when in the working manufacturing or service developing floor, while everybody is extending their help and cooperation to each other, everybody is very much congenial and supportive, then this will be very much friendly. This will be all others and all everybody one will be very much inclined and interested and a friendly atmosphere to do their duties and responsibilities for better performance. Yes. How many times?
3 minutes.
Then the factors, sources and causes of job satisfaction. What are the reasons and what are the factors and sources of the job satisfaction? Some other reasons are there, some specific reasons are there for attaining job satisfaction. There is some of the monetary benefits. Financial benefit is a very prime factor of the worker, employees or for the managers. As how and how much and what is the trend of the monetary support or backup for the, the organization itself is the provider. If very positive, then the workers, employees, and even the management of the organizations are very much inclined and interested would be. So monetary benefit is very much prime factor. Then appreciation. I'm working here, I'm not appreciated, then frustration may occur. So, while someone is doing well, someone is doing good, then positively he is already must appreciate his performance. And time to time may praise about that worker or employee so that the worker or employee will be satisfied most, and he would not be interested ever or never to leave the organization. Is followed a mixture of the formal and informal approach. Job satisfaction is concerned and connected to the formal and informal approach. And both where management can satisfy the workers, employees, or the personnel of the organization. Then the frequent changes. Frequent changing, the high turnover rate, frequent changing, yes. Changing position and discharging and job tenure, crisis in job tenure may dissatisfy the workers and employees of the organization. So frequent changes is not good. The feel of being how many times? Mr. Polash, what is the time?
1 minute. 1 minute.
So this is the situation I will go discuss in the next class. Today up to I think 5 points I discussed. My students is near evening. Thank you very much. Good luck. Keep yourself safe from pandemic situation. Okay.